pot right there. In that pot right there. Oh, you like my chain? He said nice chain, you like that? And my baby bought me that. Yeah, she bought me that. She bought it for me. She bought me a little gift. I'm like, okay, you bought me a little gift and shit. You know? I said, okay, I'm putting 2 chains on there. Y'all like that? Thank Malia, y'all. She gave that to me. Huh? Yeah, that's a fact. What's it? That's a fact. What y'all making over here?
This is the flour.
Little baby here. Think you cute? Huh? Think you cute? Sound like that. What's going on here, baby? What's going on here, baby?
We're going to the river.
We're going to the river. Oh, that's right. We about to go to the waterfall. Oh, I forgot. They giving you hearts, Malia.
I'm thankful. Hello, how are you? I'm thankful.
What you doing over here? Bro, what you over here doing?
Scrubs?
What you doing with the scrubs? Chopping wood. Now, Umi leaving, man. Umi leaving, man. She out of here, man. This one might be out of here today. Yeah, Umi out of here, man. What y'all doing, man? Come on, man. I know Umi ain't one of us, man. She about to leave. We about to chop her off at the airport.
Yeah, there is.
Yeah. Absolutely not. You already know that. She is leaving, man. She about to go. But that shit go. Yeah, nah, she out of here. What y'all thought, man? Nah, man. Umi said she thought this was a game. Of course y'all like her because she got two. Nah, man. I don't need no excitement in my life, man. I'm excited about it, but
this shit don't even exist. Streaming through consciousness. Yes, my mind playing tricks. When you sleep, you take trips. Think you die, think you
now we can't have no dominant woman, you right?
Off of me, they think that I'm loco. From me, they hold me like 4 falls. It's a mission, I know I'm a whole soul. Like a Babylon soul could go wrong. Shut up, she cause he gave me the cheat code.
Where
Now
the
make
speak
it
at?
like free throw.
Boy, yo, where Lil Speak at? It's my shit. No, hell no. See, that's how I know y'all some devils. Nobody, she could have been cheap this. Yo, fuck. Now y'all got like fucked up, what? Yo, y'all got like fucked up. Cheap this would have to be the opposite of me, nigga. Don't y'all know polar opposites? Huh? Listen, man. There's a difference between dominant and arrogant. You know what I'm saying? You can dominate. You know how you dominate us? Anybody know how to dominate carbonation? Hello? Hello? What's the way to dominate us? We dominated by what? The knowledge. Facts. If you got a higher knowledge than us, you can dominate us. That's the only way you're going to dominate anything over there. Not because of your attitude or your spirit. Your spirit is one thing. You ain't going to dominate us that way. You can inspire us with your spirit, but you can never dominate us. We're dominated by facts and objectivity. If you got a knowledge that's greater than ours, you're going to dominate everybody here. So for her to be able to be dominant, she would have to be smarter than everybody here. She has the spirit to inspire, but she don't have the knowledge to be dominant. So you got to check that up before. Even exists. If y'all get out, we want somebody else. Hey, Umi, they looking for you. They looking for you. The people. They looking for you. Have a seat. Cause you ain't in the kitchen cooking, so they seen it like, hold up, where the fuck Umi at? Where the fuck Umi at, yo? Umi dope. We wanna see Umi. You tainted her. We don't wanna. Alright, so they wanna ask you some questions. Y'all wanna ask you, I feel bad for her. Oh, Umi ain't weak. Take me, Chief. We love you. I'm just reading the comments. You ready to go home, they said? Tell her follow me. I don't know who that is. What's going on, Umi? Umi, where you going?
Looks like I'm going back to Babylon.
Oh, she said, like, I'm going back to Babylon. She said, look, somebody said, welcome back. You already in Babylon.
Back to Babylon.
Not back, you already in Babylon. Why are you leaving, Umi?
I'm leaving because
Hold on, turn the music down right there. Hit the little volume button on the side. Hit the volume button. Yeah, you motherfucker. No, right there on the side. On the side. Up there. There. It's a volume button like a phone. No. It's right. No. Your finger. Your finger. Your finger. Yeah, turn it down. Okay. Yeah, there you go. Okay. Why you leaving?
multiple reasons.
That hashtag. Shut up, Monica.
Nah, so the first reason why
Grab her some wine.
whatever. So the first reason why I'm leaving is because, like I said, I can't get with we disagree when it comes to women. We disagree.
Okay, when it comes to women, what we
Yeah.
disagree about?
I don't believe that a woman should spend the majority of her time dealing with men in the kitchen. I don't.
What do you believe?
I believe that everyone should be able to do.
What the place is for the woman? What's a woman's purpose?
Like I said, I already explained this. I really don't want to get into it again. Like,
Okay.
I really don't want to get.
You sober now, though.
Okay, I'm sober. I'm sober, but I'm in a fucked up mood too.
Why you in a fucked up mood? It's your decision. You decided
It
to
ain't
go.
because it's my decision. It's the way that I was ganged up on. I didn't like that.
Oh, you felt ganged up on?
Of course.
You felt attacked?
Of course I felt attacked.
Oh, okay.
Of course I
How would you? How about you? You violated us because you came here not understanding what we stood for. So you came into a group of people, and then now you feel ganged up on. How you gonna feel ganged up on when you joined a group of people?
You're right, but listen. What I want you to do, you think that was my intention to come here? Obviously, it was a misunderstanding.
No, I told you why you came.
Okay.
You came in because you were Aries and you ain't
Exactly.
you ain't study all the details.
I didn't study this.
And Aries people be like, what? Okay, I'ma do it and I'll figure out the rest.
Yeah.
Of it, right? I don't got.
I was like, I just want to do this shit. I just want to do this shit. I
Doing
just want
shit,
to see how it
and then
is.
you ain't understand. You ain't understand the details of it.
Yeah,
And
facts.
then now you see the details of it and you don't agree with it.
Yeah, but if you know that I'm not trying to be disrespectful. You know it wasn't intentional for me to be disrespectful.
Yeah.
You know it was a misunderstanding.
Nobody is trying to disrespect you either.
But that's how I felt though. I didn't like
We
it.
feel like we could easily say you disrespecting us and everything we stand for.
But you know that it wasn't intentional. You know that wasn't
No.
my
And I don't think anybody intends to disrespect you here.
Oh, okay.
You
And
know what I'm
that's
saying?
agree with.
Yeah. And so you feeling like that is false because we didn't intend to make you feel like that.
Okay, but like,
I like her outfit.
I'm thankful.
See?
Put me in a situation. Put me in a situation like where it has to be not once but twice. Where it has to be me against everybody. That shit, like, I'm not feeling that shit, and nobody's gonna be feeling it. You like
You don't agree that a woman places at home
no.
a homemaker. You don't believe a woman is a home, should be a homemaker. You don't believe that. That's her place. You don't believe a woman places at home.
I disagree. I think what you're saying, I feel what you're saying. I think it's an oversimplification of a woman. I don't agree with that, and I knew. And this is what I said.
And so
Reason why I
you said yourself that you don't like to cook.
It's
Did you or did you not say you don't like to cook?
I don't like to cook.
Okay. So in Babylon, when it was time to eat, what did you do?
Well, how is this relevant?
No, this is very relevant.
Okay.
Because we're talking about what a woman places. You said that you don't know how to cook. That you don't like to cook. You ain't your thing. You don't like to cook.
Okay.
And on top of that, in Babylon, when you was time to eat, what did you do? You You ordered out.
Uber Eats.
Uber Eats.
Uber Eats.
That's how you live.
Every time.
Okay, now you have no children. You have no children.
I have no children.
No husband.
No husband.
How are you supposed to protect and provide for you? How you? You don't cook for yourself.
Listen.
You ain't gonna cook for your kids. You ain't gonna cook for your husband.
Listen.
So you're not gonna be a homemaker. And you don't think that a woman, her basic thing should be being a homemaker. You don't believe that.
What I don't believe is that a woman, every woman, and I'm not speaking for everybody, I'm saying that I don't believe that every woman should have to spend 99.99% of her time
Being a homemaker.
being a homemaker. Facts.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, I don't want to go.
Look at this nigga in the background. Look at his face, bro.
I don't want to go into it again. I don't want to go into it. I'm trained. I'm trained. I'm talking about this again and again and again and again.
Okay. All
I
right.
don't want to go into it.
And we don't have to go into it. So you don't feel like a woman should be a homemaker. Okay, we get it. We get it. Huh?
What if you flip the roles? Like, what do you think that a man is supposed to do?
I don't
You don't think
know.
he should be provided for his family?
Look, I'm not in the mood to get into a debate. It's not that I'm not.
The people want to know.
Look, I've been draining this shit. People, are y'all listening? I've been fucking having the same conversation multiple days, hours on end.
Not hours on end. Calm down. You did not talk about nothing yesterday. Nothing.
over it.
Wait. Stop. Because you lying now. Because you ain't say nothing. You went into isolation and took a whole day of rest. Today, we're simply asking you for a reason why you leaving.
And that I can give.
Okay.
That I want to talk about.
Okay.
Getting into the woman's role, I'm not getting into.
All right. So basically, so we got the reason. The reason is because you don't believe that a woman should be.
So that was my initial reason for leaving. Maybe I could have been talked down off of that.
Wait. Hold on. Wait. Because now see.
No, let me go.
No. Wait. I'm gonna let you go. But I'm always gonna bring clarity. The devil is the author of confusion.
Okay.
I'm always gonna bring clarity. I'm the opposite of that. So the clarity is this: you decided to leave because you couldn't agree, or never be that woman that could be a homemaker.
Yeah.
That's
Like,
what
listen.
Did you understand what I'm saying to you?
I feel what you're saying.
Right, we're gonna go. I'm gonna let you go. But I just wanna get this clear.
Okay.
The reason why you said I can't fuck with this shit because I don't believe that a woman should be a homemaker.
The reason why I said that I want to leave and I don't fuck with this shit, is because I don't want to do that. And I know I'm not going to do that. I know I'm never going to be
Be a
that
homemaker.
woman.
Never gonna be a homemaker.
No, listen, and I said this multiple times. I'm willing to do what's necessary for the team. So if I gotta hop in the kitchen, learning how to cook was vegan food was one of the reasons why I wanted to come here. It's not that I'm against cooking. It's that what I'm against is the idea that I am forced into a particular role just because of my genitalia, just because of my anatomy. That's what I'm against. I don't believe that.
A woman should be a homemaker.
I don't believe that every woman, and this is how I'm going to say it, and then I think we can leave it at that because I don't see what else needs to be said.
Right.
I don't think that every woman, every personality, every energy of woman needs to be spending 99.9% of her time
In the home.
in the home, in the
Okay.
kitchen, cleaning. That's what I'm saying.
Okay, where should she be? Where should she be?
I don't want this. I don't
Just
want.
relax, yo.
I can't relax.
I'm asking you a simple question. Now you under pressure. No. I'm asking you where does she belong then?
I'm trained.
All right, forget it. Fuck it. It's over. Don't worry about it. It's over. Don't worry. I'm not gonna drain you no more. Don't worry about it. We ain't gonna talk no more. Go ahead, do your thing. Cause you starting to get out of hand. So just go ahead, do your thing. Yeah. You feel me? Yeah, be that. Y'all heard it. She don't feel like women should be homemakers. Meanwhile, that's what we're doing in our group. Nigga, switch up, new identity. I like to agitate people. I was just giving y'all what y'all wanted. I wasn't even gonna bother her. I was sitting here talking to the ladies right here. Y'all asked for her. You talking about bother her? You wanna bother people? You asked y'all bring her down. See how y'all be instigating shit? You feel what I'm saying? You gonna try to say it's me? All I did was ask a simple question. Still whipping it up. Hey. We just want to let you know, women should be homemakers. No doubt, you should be nurses and nurturers. That's your nature. Point blank period. That's what we know here, and that's how we live here in Carbonation. So if you knew that, if you was watching us, you would know that. So why are you here? I did let her talk. She said she didn't want to talk. I was asking a question. She said she didn't want to talk. Point blank period. She leaving ASAP. Hit her up. Go give her donations. If you want to support that, let her come live with you. Let her come live with your ass. You know what I'm saying? Just, if we trade y'all one, y'all give us one, y'all get one. Y'all get one, we get one. You know what I'm saying? Just send us one. We need one trade out. Y'all take Umi. Who y'all gonna give us? Who y'all gonna give us? I never said no other uses. I never said no other uses. I said that's the basic uses. I never said, but she wanna order Uber Eats, so that's where she gonna go. She don't. If she has a husband, she ain't gonna be able to cook for him or make a home for him. She's not gonna be able to do that. So she has children. She's not gonna be able to feed them. They're gonna be eating out. It is what it is. Fuck it. And if you have a man that don't know how to be a homemaker, why you here? Sunny gonna have to jump too, or she gonna be on the flight with her. So y'all get y'all donations ready for Sunny and goddamn Umi. Cause if Sunny don't jump today, she gonna be with her. And I give you that. That's it. Point blank period. You don't like me? Fuck you. You ain't gotta like me, you gotta like you. I told you already. Shout out to my haters in the building. Y'all go take Umi. Give us a woman that wanna be a homemaker. Any woman wanna be a homemaker, down with the knowledge, down with the squad. Y'all take Umi and shit, send us one. We give y'all her, y'all send us one back. You feel what I'm saying? I'm not being mean. Oh, when this being real being mean? That's the kind of place we're living in today. Being real is being mean. Fuck out of here. You want me to be fake and phony? Fuck you. She gonna jump. She gonna have to jump. What's up, Sonny? What's up? Come talk to the people. How you feeling about it today? You feel good? I don't give a damn what y'all talking about. It's going down the way I say it's going down. If you don't like it, oh well. You know what y'all do. It is what it is. You don't like it, oh well. Turn the channel. Shit. What's up?
Yeah, I feel good.
We gotta talk up.
I feel good. All I had to do was watch the holographic universe because, you know what I'm saying, when you don't really into knowledge, it's going to take you off. When you don't start favoring shit like that. So that was my problem.
Monica, you about to get locked.
That was my problem. I forgot what this really was. Like, what this whole world was.
Where the fuck the place at? Where your North Node at? Libra in the fifth house? Leo in the fifth house. Y'all want me to have weaknesses around me, man? I don't want no weaknesses around me. I don't want no fear around me. Y'all want me to have that shit so y'all can relate. What's up, Ice? How you feel about fucking what's her name jumping? Son.
He said she been studying, like, you know, the holographic
Studying how to jump.
Yeah, no, studying how this is not real and shit like that to overcome your fears and whatnot. So, if she do it, then she do it. If she don't, it is what it is, you know what I mean? That's how I feel about it. I'm neutral. I'm like, okay, if it happened, great. If it don't, it is what it is. You know what I mean?
They want us to hang on to our weaknesses like they hang on to their weaknesses. They want us to have attachments and things. You want me to hang on to things that no longer serve me like you do. I'm not you. If something don't serve me and fears, all those fears, we get rid of that shit. Anything that's weak, we get rid of it. Point blank period. I'm not doing it. You got me fucked up. Straight up, y'all can have them, support them, man. All my weaknesses, I want y'all to donate y'all money and take care of all my weaknesses. Go ahead. You do it. I'm not harping none of that. Shout out to all the real people in the building that have real minds that understand reality. I'm not keeping Umi because Umi don't belong here. Y'all know she don't belong here. Y'all fucking playing. Is Malia better jump? They said Malia jumping. You jumping, Malia? I ain't gotta ask her. She jumping. Y'all gonna see me gonna have it all on camera.
I already know what time it is, you know? I can't wait. I'm gonna do a backflip, nigga. Off the rope. I ain't doing off the clip. Not off the clip. No, off the rope. Off the rope is fun. Backflip. Jumping. You die. Shit. Calendar with the shit.
I'm easy to read. Anything that's clear to read you? Well, read me. I love it. I'm gonna let you in the room.
Anything else?
Yeah, that's the problem. I gave Velvet 47 chances, and that's where we know not to do that shit again. Did you see what happened when I did that, though? Did you see that happen to us? Did you see what happened when I let people have chances after chances after chances? Did you see that? Am I not supposed to learn from my lessons? It's not about his wife. It's not about nobody. It's people in my life, nigga. Not about his wife. It's about people in my life, giving them chances and chances, hardware and weaknesses. Eddie, you good? I'm not harboring no more weaknesses. You do that. You keep people in your life that is displaying fear, and you hang around people like that. That's not what I'm hanging around. To be around me, you gotta be elite. You get rid of the bad fish. I'm gonna keep the good fish. You keep the bad. You keep that. You settle. Go ahead, keep settling. That ain't me. You show me weaknesses, you're gonna have to go unless you deal with them. That's it. You want to be around weakness and you calling me mean, but I'm being real. This is how you need to be about your own life, nigga. Don't be mad at me because I'm being real with you. She gonna probably go live more than likely when she get out of here because it's gonna get her attention. And that's to be the same thing they always do. They leave and they want attention and they go live. They get y'all attention. And after a while, you don't got nothing. They don't got nothing to offer you, so they fade away. It's the same shit. I mean, we know the drill already. Remember, you only know about it only because of me. Prior to that, so it'll be that. That's what it will be. It is a byproduct of fear, and that's what most people get to. They get to the point of being suicide, and then they meet me. They find me. Then they become back to being arrogant again after they, you know what I'm saying? No, I'm not asking to go live. Y'all leave me alone. She says she don't want to be bothered. She says she doesn't want to talk. So that's why I said, all right, get the fuck on. Ask me a question. You said serenity. We don't know who serenity is. We don't know what serenity. We don't know who you're talking about. When you speak of serenity, we don't know what serenity. So you gotta come again. No, Umi has arrogance. There's a difference between confidence, which you think is confidence, and arrogance. Umi is an Aries. She's arrogant. That's just what that is. That's arrogance. Anybody can be arrogant, and it's just a foolish confidence. That's arrogance. What you see is arrogance. It's not based in any knowledge, anything to be proud of. There's no substance to it. So it's just for the moment. You can feed off that energy and be inspired by it, but you don't even believe in what she's saying because it doesn't make any sense. You could be a confident fool. You can be an arrogant fool. You can be arrogant, meaning that you are boastful and over-exaggerated in your confidence, and then you be wrong as fuck. So everything she's talking about is wrong. No matter what the spirit, y'all like the energy. See, what you don't like about me is my energy. You don't like my energy because I come off as an authoritative figure. You feel my confidence. You take it as arrogance. You feel my confidence, and you feel me as an authority. You don't like my spirit, but my knowledge cannot be denied. You cannot deny my knowledge, but you don't like my spirit. You love her spirit, but her knowledge is off. You see how that works? You people are moved by energy. You move by spirits. You move by energy. You don't base yourself in knowledge and wisdom. Because if you was, then you wouldn't fuck with her. You'd be like, yo, she's wrong though. She has a good spirit. Like I said, a good spirit. You love the energy. It inspires you and it makes you feel empowered as a woman. Because she has the masculine energy as a woman, but her knowledge is off. So it doesn't matter. So that energy can be used to mislead you. You be stupid enough to go with it. You don't like my energy because I'm an authoritative figure, but with this amount of knowledge and wisdom, how could I not be an authoritative figure? You feel what I'm saying? So it just is really, you don't like my spirit, but you cannot deny my knowledge. So that's just how it goes, period. People hate authoritative figures, authority. People hate authority because they make them feel empowered, disempowered. It makes authority figures can make you feel disempowered. So we challenge authority. But when you challenge the authority that's basing you in truth and facts, you're being stupid in your own self. You're being ignorant. You're choosing to ignore the knowledge that's behind that authority. My authority holds knowledge that you cannot deny. None of you can debate my knowledge at all. You should be trolling my knowledge to make me look stupid. You want to make me look real stupid? You want to destroy me? Troll my knowledge. Troll the knowledge. You can't. Because I'm right. You just don't like my spirit. You don't like the way I go about it. You don't like because it's authoritative. It's confidence. To you, it's arrogance. So what you want to do is you want to challenge authority. But what authority are you challenging? You know what I'm saying? I'm bringing power to truth. I'm bringing truth to power, not lies. See? So the devil can easily move on y'all, because as long as the devil sweet talk you, he can feed you poison. See what I'm saying? So if my spirit was deceiving, I would be nice, but I would feed you poison and you would eat it because you like the energy. That's all it takes to get you people. Just the proper energy. But I don't give a fuck about telling you the truth, but in the way you want to hear it. Nigga, I tell you the truth the way you're supposed to hear it. Y'all want a sweet lie instead of a hard truth. You understand what I'm saying? And that's how that go. That's how that go. Point blank period. You know what I'm saying? But when you see an authority figure that's speaking truth, you should respect that. And the only thing that could make me look stupid out here in these trees is if you can debate my knowledge. You can't, because it's mine and justified by my knowledge. You can't do it true. And that's why I'm never going anywhere, because the truth ain't going nowhere. As long as I align myself with the truth and that I can be confident in that, then it doesn't matter. My authority will reign in the end. So you could do it and say whatever you want. You feel me? It don't matter. It don't matter. Save yourself the headache, just drop Sonny off. You don't believe in you, Sonny. Sonny said, I believe in me. Anybody's available to come to debate the knowledge. It's open. That's the only way you can really destroy us. The only way you could dominate us or destroy us is to come with a knowledge higher than the knowledge that we have. And I'm open to sit down and talk to anybody calmly, you know what I'm saying? Or they might get passionate or whatever, but respectfully, to talk to anybody truly about the knowledge. Truly, I'm open to that. Like, I'm open to anybody that can bring any kind of knowledge that advances my knowledge seriously. You know what I'm saying? And if you set it up, just have to have a culture already and be doing the things that you're saying. You can't just bring knowledge that you're not applying in your life, but I still want to know the knowledge. I got any knowledge above mine, I want to know it. I want to know it because I'm in constant research and constant study every day. And the more I study, the more confident I get, because ain't nobody fucking with this knowledge. Ain't nobody fucking with the wisdom I have. Ain't nobody fucking with it. And as long as nobody's fucking with it, I'm going to be cocky. Until I'm humble to somebody that can actually advance this knowledge. I'm cocky in the knowledge. I'm cocky in the lifestyle. See, I applied the knowledge to my life and it got me somewhere. It got me the things that I have. So at the end of the day, I'm cocky. I'm confident. You know what I'm saying? But don't get it twisted. I'm always open. I'm always looking for something greater than what I'm talking about. I'm always looking and searching for that. And I always have said that. Show me somebody that advances my knowledge. And then I'm going to leave and we all going to go follow that motherfucker. That's going to be our alpha. Everybody here. I got my whole tribe. We will stop everything I'm doing right now and we will go follow that motherfucker. But that motherfucker better be living that truth. Straight up. And we got money. And we got resources. We bringing resources with us. So, you know what I mean? Like, show me. Until then, all y'all just mad because I'm an authority figure. And you just trying to throw rocks at the God, little pebbles at the God. That's all. Yeah, I'm very cocky. I'm very confident. You know what I'm saying? And what I stand for. Absolutely. Got all my pride in what I stand for. You feel me? And so, therefore, If there's something greater than the knowledge that I speak, again, display it. If not, I've sat and made myself available for debate for 3 days straight. Not one person showed up with any kind of knowledge. Not one. One. So y'all just talking, man. Y'all just talking. F will always jump. Somebody said, F will always jump. I'm very secure in my knowledge. Anything that I'm teaching, I can pull a PowerPoint up just like this. Anything that I'm teaching is based in facts. Everything that I'm saying, everything that I live, I don't just do things for no reason. I'm not subjective thinking. Everything that I do is based in pure facts. And I can pull a PowerPoint up and give you a whole hour lesson, 2-hour lesson on everything that I do, everything that I stand on. And y'all know that. No one can deny that. That's a fact. They can't deny it. Y'all been following me how long? You have seen not one person, as much as y'all want that. Anybody that comes up and challenges me, whether that's been Joy, Nana, or anybody that's ever come up against me, you cheer them. Because you want it so bad for me to fall. You want to humble me so bad. But it's hard to humble the truth. When the truth is powerful, you cannot humble it because it's not going anywhere. No matter what you say, it's not going anywhere. So my arrogance, my cockiness, my confidence, it's all based in truth. So you're never going to be able to kill me. Challenge. Okay. I'll let you in the room. Go ahead, brother. Come on in, brother. I'd like to hear on what would you try to challenge? On what would you like to challenge? I'm letting you in the room. You said challenge. El Tony, Man, we ready. I think everybody would like to see somebody challenge my mind. You can't, because there is no mind greater than mine. Point blank period. You can't even bring me a teacher that's better than my mind. You can't. And don't you love that the greatest mind out there is a nigga that come from the hood, just like you? That's it's your man. Well, you should be proud. You should be proud that the smartest nigga out here, literally on some shit, is a nigga. You should be proud, my nigga. You should be proud. You like, yo, this my man. Listen to this nigga with his beautiful, brilliant mind. Damn. And he fine. This nigga's the shit. Okay, so the brother didn't enter the room, so we know what the drill is. You should be happy. Like, look at this. He come from a background like me. He from the same place I'm from, but he has elevated past the yogis out there. Or Sadhguru, all them yogis. None of them can fuck with my mind. None of them. None of them. Could you imagine that? I'm not gonna hang up, because when I do debate people, sometimes they be arrogant. Y'all heard me shut Brother Polite down. That was y'all scholar. That was y'all scholar. Young Pharaoh don't want to debate me at all because he know I'm telling the truth, but my knowledge is good. He knows my knowledge. It's only trolling. It's only trolling. Brother Polite, I jammed him up. You go listen to me and Brother Polite's debates, you'll hear that he got him upset. He was all out of his character. He couldn't even stay in composure. But these are your Brother Sanchez. Man, all Brother Sanchez talk about is the flat earth. Nobody wants to sit around and talk about the flat earth all day, nigga. The earth is holographic. It's a program. It's a hologram. We know it's a hologram, bro. Nobody wants to sit around and obsess with the shape of the earth when we know it's your mind. We already advanced that knowledge, the shape of the earth. We already advanced that knowledge. We know that life is holographic. It's a hologram. So there it is. There's no debating the shit. You know what I'm saying? Y'all gonna get over me like y'all got over Nana. Y'all gonna get over her. Trust me, you gonna be alright. Y'all gonna get over everybody. You gotta learn change and evolution. You gotta learn that when you watching my life, there's gonna be a constant evolution and metamorphosis. And you gotta deal with change. When you watch me, you gotta deal with change. You gotta deal with the replacement of energy. Some energy comes, some energy goes. You gotta deal with the replacement of energy. Point blank period. acknowledge him. Y'all don't have to acknowledge me. Y'all is in my inbox. To associate yourself with somebody like me is bad for business. But you damn sure know they in my inbox. You understand me? They're in my inbox. But they would never fuck up their product. Fuck up their product with the association with someone like me. You feel what I'm saying? So just know that they're in my inbox. There's nothing else to see. There's nothing else to find, nigga. There's nothing else to watch. There's nothing else. Around it to limp other niggas. What you want? Want me to leave or stay? Let's stay. Stay or leave?
I want her to stay and learn to
That's why you about to go. Hey, what you want her to do? Gotta go.
She gotta go. She don't agree with what we
Gotta go. What you want?
She got to go.
Got to go. See, the same thing that make you fear is the same thing that make you hold on to her. When you see something weak, you let it go, nigga. When your body sees something weak, does your body say, "Oh, I wanna let this cancer cell stay around"? Is the immune system supposed to say that to something that's weak in your body, or something that's destroying your body, something that ain't in tune with your body? Imagine if the cells in your body say, "Oh, well, we could keep." Get rid of the motherfucking weakness. What you want, bro? Go. All right. You. Go.
You already know.
You know what it is?
Yeah, she needs somebody.
Yeah. I already know it. One mind, one self. One mind, one self. You ain't even gotta ask that. We know the drill. Y'all wanna hang on to y'all weaknesses and shit and live in your weaknesses. Nigga, ain't nobody living in no weakness. It's you. You feel me? And that's the same thing that make you fear. The same thing that make you fear, homie. The same thing that make you fear, Sonny, is the same thing that make you say that same shit that you saying. Fear. And see, we gotta learn when we see something, we get rid of it, nigga. When you on a block and you in the streets, and you see a snitch, you don't give a nigga another chance. What the nigga snitch, you get rid of him. You see a rat, you get rid of it. You don't hang around with a nigga that showed you that he gonna be disloyal, be dishonorable, and keep a nigga around. For what? If you see a snitch, if you in the streets and you doing your thing and you got something that you doing, you handling business, and the nigga snitch, and you see a snitch, what the fuck you supposed to do with a snitch? Get rid of the nigga. The fuck you hanging around him? And that's mean because we want our team tight and our circle tight. If we get rid of any weaknesses, come on, man. Fuck y'all, man. Fuck y'all. I ain't shit. God is forgiving, but God ain't forget. What forgiveness got to do with forgetting? Nobody said we didn't forgive her. We forgive her because she know not what she do. That don't mean I gotta be around your ass. I forgive Nana. I forgive a whole bunch of motherfuckers that did me wrong. That don't mean I got to deal with you in my motherfucking life. What is you talking about? Just because I forgive you, that mean I gotta deal with you? Do you forgive your ex? Do you go back to him? No, nigga, because at the end of the day, you know it was no good for you, but you forgive him. But it ain't no good for me. It ain't no good for what my journey is. You feel what I'm saying? You forgive a nigga and stay there and motherfucking continue to perpetuate the same behaviors. No, my nigga. Point blank period. It ain't going on. It ain't going on. It ain't going down. You feel what I'm saying? Y'all say anything. Y'all say anything y'all can. Y'all say whatever you can. But you know what I'm saying is true. And you need to apply it to your own motherfucking life. It's real nigga shit. All I'm saying is some real shit. Y'all niggas can't accept it. Y'all trying to taint it to make be something else. It's sad because you can't, just because you don't like me, you gotta make it wrong. I mean, if it's real, it's real. Whether you like me or not, nigga, it's real. God damn, like, you have a prejudice. Just because you don't like somebody that's black, just because the black person says something true, something real, that don't mean you have to motherfucking disagree because they black. If you a prejudiced motherfucker, you got a prejudice. You don't like black people. So if a black person says something true, you're not gonna say, oh yeah, well that's true though. No, you're being biased and you're being prejudiced. Just because you don't like me doesn't mean that it's not the truth. You might as well not like white people or black people and be you're prejudiced. All of y'all prejudiced. Just because you don't like me, whatever I say is wrong. Fuck out of here. It's truth, motherfucker. No matter who it's coming from. Or just because, oh, it's a nigga, so I don't like him, so I don't give a fuck what he's talking about. You're just like the white people when they was prejudiced against us. Point blank period. You got a prejudice. You don't like Chief. You don't like his character. So everything that he says, you find fault in it. That's called prejudice. It's unfair and it's not okay. It's not fair. If it's truth, it's truth. No matter who it comes from, you have to be unbiased in your truth. But if you're going to be subjective, then you're just as bad as the people that own your ass. Point blank period. Point blank period. It's not about I'm using racism as an... Never mind. It went over your head. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't. This is why you there and we here. So frequency is family. You don't get what I'm saying. You just period. You know what I mean? It ain't nothing humble about the truth. The truth is just the truth. It ain't got to be humble. It ain't got to be... It just is what it is, nigga. Like, the truth is don't have to... Matter of fact, most time the truth ain't humble. It's some hard shit to accept. It ain't humble, because when you live in a lie, the truth ain't humble. This shit is hard. This shit is hard, nigga. I'm just being real. Yeah, Malia's cooking. She right there, she cooking. It ain't really no debating Young Pharaoh, because what is Young Pharaoh teaching y'all? He can't debate me. He can't debate me on anything at all. There's nothing that Young Pharaoh can debate me on at all. Point blank period. If you don't understand what I'm saying, use a fake nigga. That's all. Use a prejudice, and you using your prejudice to be fake, and you should stop yourself. You should say, wait a minute, I might not like this nigga, but what he's saying is real. Stop it. What's real is real, whether you like me or not. Cut it out, okay? It's truth. If you find something weak in your life, get rid of it. Okay? That's what it's all about. Self-improvement, self-better. If something is weak around you, get rid of it. Point blank period. If it's not in tune, get rid of it. Why y'all hate me? Cause you hate me? You can't accept the truth? Y'all some fuckboys. You a fuckboy if you do that. You can't accept the truth. All my real niggas in the building, you know what it is. It's crazy. You hate me to that extent? You that prejudiced that you can't accept the truth? Cause it's him. Cause it's him. It's not true. What's your question, Aki? Come on in the building. Y'all call in if y'all got any questions. You know what it is. Don't be a coward. Come at me, like, get at me. You scared of me because you know you might be wrong. And you don't want to embarrass yourself. I don't know why y'all trying to bring Young Pharaoh up. Like, he's like irrelevant as fuck now. He played the shit out of himself. He played himself like the black community don't even fucking take this nigga serious no more. Like, he's just clown. Like, he a clown. Like, niggas don't fuck with that nigga no more. Yeah, because some people don't know how to let go of their weaknesses. Nah. People know that what I'm saying is real and it's true, but because of their prejudice to it, they don't want to agree on purpose. So they'll make some shit up like, oh, he's bullying her, or they'll make some shit up. That's what white people did to black people. When black people was right in their arguments, just because they didn't like black people, they would not listen to them. So they're doing this. That's the same spirit, that same evil ass spirit. It's the same. You're just prejudiced and you're making your decisions from subjectivity. And it's fucked up. That makes you weak. Who is Velga? How do you know her? From who? Right. Don't worry, I'll wait. It's just the truth. Y'all mad because I'm giving you the truth. Okay, I'm giving you the truth and you mad at me. All right. A true speaker has no friends. You don't like my energy. All right, turn the channel. Leave me alone. I'm going to be me. Let me be me. Stop trying to control me. Hey. Y'all mad now? Y'all mad now? Y'all mad now? Y'all mad now, bro. Mad now. You upset at me? Yo, y'all mad, yo. Y'all mad. They mad, yo. I got these people pissed the fuck off, man. They are pissed off, bro. You mad at me? You mad at me? Say, I ain't got nothing off y'all. What you gonna do, put on a wig? And look at Gran in the building, sucking cock and blowing dick. She just... Gran, you funny, bruh. I don't care about views. I'm doing this shit for my haters. This is my haters page, man. This is so I can have a relationship with y'all. I have to embrace my lower self. What's for Solano? What's for Solano? Empanadas? Whoa. Hold up, my rap just fell straight the fuck off. My whole rap just fell off. We about to go see what... Y'all see my chain? See my new chain? My whole rap, my whole shit just fell off. Who says that your daughter is happier without you? Who says that but a demon? Who says some shit like that if you're not hurt? You gotta be hurt. That's some hurt shit to say to somebody. Some mean shit.
I just like nature doing. That's the dumbest
These are empanadas,
shit.
vegan empanadas, man.
Whoever said that dumbass shit is stupid as hell. His daughter's better without me.
That shit crazy. Y'all the narcissists, yo. Y'all are really the narcissists. It be narcissists that know how to point out a narcissist. You know what I'm saying? It be a narcissist that be calling people narcissists. I never call people narcissists. I don't even know what the fuck that is. You always calling somebody a narcissist. It be narcissist. Do y'all ever notice that a narcissist is the one that be calling people narcissists? That shit be crazy. Cause no, you have to research narcissists, right? Somebody just made that word up. Got my charger. Come on, dog. See if you actually have more. They just watch the haters on YouTube. Oh no, I'm not worried about that. I like to just talk to real people. I think that everybody that has confidence in themselves and whatever you do, you can easily be mistaken as a narcissist. Shit, you could say anybody that's a leader is a narcissist. You could say anybody. Think anybody that has any kind of self-esteem these days in time where they're not depressed, where the devil wants you depressed, fucked up, and they want to tell you be humble. Come on, man. I am. I told you. I have characteristics of it. I said. I seen it. I have characteristics. Omek is chief? Okay. If he chief, then why he came to me? If Omek is chief, why he came? Those are both my students. Omek and Nana are my students. And them raising my seed, that's not my seed. That's all of them are me. You feel what I'm saying? Like, bro, just keep watching, bro. Just keep watching. You know what I'm saying? Keep watching. You know what I'm saying? I hope, because I'm damn sure I'm gonna be happy. I hope they happy, man. You don't know what narcissist is. That's some word that people make up for some shit. Omek is STD free, so is Nana. Okay. They're soulmates. That's beautiful, man. I hope they be happy with each other because that's you act like that ain't nothing I already knew.